generation yet unborn, even people that are to come forth after us, it will help them. The judgment of this process will help our generation yet unborn. It will even strengthen democracy in Nigeria and in Africa and across the world.
Thank you very much, sir. One word from your party to Nigerians.
Well, as the leader of the youth, what I can say is let's remain focused, let's remain determined, let's remain encouraged, let's remain inspired, let's remain motivated. I am sure that the process we started with our participation in 2023 general election is not an end, but a just starting point for us to continue to believe in Nigeria, for us to continue to work for Nigeria, for us to continue to be patriotic until we get Nigeria set on the path of progress like every other nation in the world. Thank you for believing in LabourParty. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Well, I'm comfortable, I'm happy with the way it's going, just that sometimes if you sit in court, you see the time wasting, and I think to just go straight to the point and move forward as a nation. This judgment could be dispensed in a shorter time than I'm not trying to preempt or accuse anybody or learned men undertaking this process, but I feel that we can dispense of this whole thing on time so that the nation will be set on a democratic pedestal to enjoy dividends of democracy that will come from the person they voted.
Okay, so far, the Labour Party has said they will call about 50-something witnesses, but you can see that the witnesses being called now is about just 6, and then normally it will take them till next week to actually conclude their petition. What do you think about this?
That is why I say that there is some time wasting, some cross-examination that are not necessary. I just wish that some of those things are cut off so that we're able to push our witnesses and attest to whatever we are trying to prove for the Honorable Court if they are valid. It's just, I don't like the way the time has been spent. When you don't have anything to say, you don't have any question, I would just prefer that people just overlook it and maybe go into the address and put up a document or an argument with respect to what they like or what they don't like about the witnesses and whatever, instead of wasting the cut of the time. I just hope that this whole process will end, because Nigerian youths are really yearning for good governance, and with all these distractions, and they are not getting it. They are interested in seeing the end of this process, which will inform the future generation whether they are to have confidence in the whole democratic process or they will not have confidence in the entire democratic process. So I just hope that this process goes on smoothly without any form of bias, but coming out with a verdict. It will really help our generation and the generation yet unborn. Even people that are to come forth after us, it will help them. The judgment of this process will help our generation yet unborn. It will even strengthen democracy in Nigeria and in Africa and across the world.
Thank you very much, sir. One word from your party to Nigerians.
Well, as the leader of the youth, what I can say is